Today we're learning the how-to and the why of creating a Gmail account, a new Gmail account for every YouTube channel that you start. We'll also be asking, why a new Gmail account? Well, if something goes wrong with your YouTube channel and you unfortunately get some copyright strikes, or some community issues that you're not aware that you've broken the rules, you could lose your Gmail account completely. So then you will also lose any subscriptions you have to programs, your internet banking, all the information you were using when your YouTube channel is taken down, and you will lose the Gmail account at the same time. So for that reason, it is extremely important to start a new YouTube channel with a new Gmail account. So one Gmail account per YouTube channel, and that's the best option and way to go forward. So let's head on over to Gmail and start the process. Firstly, you sign out of all your existing Gmail accounts. Choose Use another account, and at the bottom, choose Create an account. Choose For My Personal Use. Add your name. We'll skip the last name, it's optional. Last name is optional. Then you add your personal birth date. And your gender. The reason we ask for this, let's take a look. Sharing your gender is optional. Your birth date is important. It's mandatory. And they aren't shared with anybody, but they're required to validate you for further reasons on loading videos and enabling them on YouTube. So we're not going to choose an option that they're suggesting for us. We're going to create our own Gmail account. You can call it anything you like. It doesn't have to be associated with the name of your new channel, so you don't have to rush to decide on a niche. Choose Next. This one's already taken, so let's choose Update the Name, and that one is accepted. So choose a password, confirm the password. You can show it if you need to, and choose Next. You can use the same cell phone for two YouTube channels, two Gmail accounts. And should you have trouble, borrow a cell phone number from a family member whose phone you have access to, or buy a cheap SIM card. In South Africa, they're R1 with a little bit of airtime, less than 30 Rand, which is about $1, $1 or $1.50. And there you have your new email account. You then have to agree to the terms and conditions. You can read them if you want to. It's probably a good idea. If you're not familiar with Gmail, and now you have a new Gmail account. You'll see that it's empty and you're ready to go. So remember your email, whatever your username was, you'll probably get a new email to this inbox. Head on over to the Google Apps icon, the little dots in the corner, and choose the YouTube icon. This is how we create our YouTube channel. You need to now, this is the YouTube channel associated with that email address. So your channel is created. You can see my name is here. If I click on the profile picture, this is my Gmail address. And now I click on create a channel. You can, at this stage, select a picture, or you can come back to it later. If you already have branding, you would be able to put that in now. So super easy, we have our YouTube channel. This is your handle. You can change it at any stage, and you can update your picture at any stage. You'll be able to update the banner, which will replace your name when you're ready, when you've created it. And here we have the customized channel, the manage videos, view channel stats. And then on the side here, you'll see the vidIQ icon that I have a program installed on my laptop from vidIQ. So at a later stage in your journey, you can use this, you can install this add-on app, and it will allow you to see channel stats, trending videos, and help you on your journey. If you look at the more info tab, you'll see the handle over there. Once you have a niche, you can change the handle and the channel name to match. And you can share your channel. At the top here, you have the URL of the channel, and at any time you can come back to that. We have the home tab, this is the shorts tab.
Listen to me.
Subscriptions, if you register through this channel to anybody else's, you subscribe to anybody else's channel, you'll see your subscriptions linked here. These are not my subscribers, but it's an idea of what comes up. And then a U channel. So this is where you can switch to, if you have another YouTube channel, you can switch accounts. You can go to your Google account. You can also switch channels over here. You can view your channel if you're already viewing it now, but this is the button if you happen to be in YouTube Studio. So you may notice there's a create button here. This is where you would upload videos. You can upload them from here, or click back on here and you can switch to YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is where you manage all your videos, look at your analytics, and generally load your videos from YouTube Studio. This is our first visit here, so we'll say welcome to we'll agree to the continue, and here you are on your channel dashboard. The icons on this, you can view the first icon, you can view your channel on YouTube. So once you've got some videos, you can go and view what we were just having a look at. This is your dashboard, which is where we are now. It doesn't change because we were already on our dashboard. This is the content tab where you will see the videos and shorts that you've loaded, or if you've been live, if you've got playlists, you can check everything out here. Your analytics, you can see deeper analytics of all your per video, all your audience, the trends, outliers, keywords, very useful once you have some content. Your community tab, and you can check out your comments, and it'll all mean more once you have some videos loaded. You can take a quick look at the settings. The general is the currency. You're probably US dollars. In South Africa, we're South African rands. We'll save that. You can come back here. So the upload defaults is where you would add your title for your channel, your description for your channel. You would select private, public, or unlisted. Until we've got some content, we'll leave it as private. And then your general tags for your channel. So if you've got a gardening channel, you would be adding the general tags for that specific channel. If it's indoor gardening, we'd say one tag would be gardening, one would be indoor gardening, one would be gardening 101, and you get the idea of how the tags would work. Once we've done that, we would save it. And then we head on over for the permissions. If you have somebody you share the channel with, this is where you would add permissions. And you can switch comments on or off. The moderation can be basic or strict, depending on if it's for children, you'd probably go strict. Messages in your live chat, do you want to moderate them first? Are there any blocked words that you want to use for your channel? You don't specifically want these words to be allowed. And link the text. So I haven't made any changes. I don't need to save it. Then we move on to user management. You can add users, channel guidelines. You can set guidelines. So we'll come back to the settings once we have some further well, let's pop into the advanced settings. Do you want to set this for channel as made for kids? The answer is always no, unless your content is for children. Say you are making children's stories or children's videos, otherwise you set it to no. Or you can review it for every video. Say one video is for children and another is for adults only. This will come up when you're loading a video. Your Google Ads account linking is once you have a certain number of subscribers and watch hours, you can link a bank account for obtaining money for the monetization of once the ads are showed on your account. automatic captions don't show potentially inappropriate words. That's an optional one to choose. Sorry about that. Disable interest-based ads. It's optional. Allow viewers to clip my content. Yes, you can allow that. And let's YouTube enhance the visual and audio quality. That's an advisable one to leave. And allow third-party companies to train AI models. That's optional as well. And other settings, manage YouTube account, remove YouTube content. There we can save that. Let's go back in and have a look at the feature eligibility. In this case, there's three levels of this. Your standard features have all been enabled. So in the end, you want to see enabled, not eligible. So in this case, it's already enabled. In order to allow videos over 15 minutes, you have to validate your personal details. So you can use your passport or your ID, or you can leave it until you've loaded many videos, and then it will automatically become enabled. So to verify your phone number, it will take a little while. Text me the verification code. My country is South Africa, and my number I can add. So I will have to go back and use the number I used for the verification, but get the idea of how to do it. Here's where we're going to need to verify our ID as well, and it will allow you to do this on a cell phone, and we need, in our case, we have the front and the back of the ID, and we would send this off for verification. And that's it for the settings for now. There are more settings you can adjust. And that's it for YouTube Studio. So I'm going to end on this note. Happy creation. If you already know how to create videos, start your journey. If you don't, I'll be posting a how-to pretty soon. So subscribe and click notifications to be advised once that video is available. Thank you for listening, and enjoy your journey.